tell you there's a way to help you pay your cost of rent, food, bills, and transportation. So, let me introduce you to a side hustle. You know what? A side hustle is a way to supplement your income outside of your regular job. It enables you to earn money, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions, buy things you need or want, and alleviate financial concerns, which is great. It can also provide you with additional funds when unexpected work circumstances arise. So, what if I told you there's a way to earn $5 over and over again with no skills, no investment, and no experience? Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn money just by colorizing pictures using free websites. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. So first and foremost, I want you to go to this website. So go to pexels.com. Basically, when you visit this website, you can look for various photos and pictures that you can download for free. Now, I want you to go to Google and search for black and white photos. So right now, I'd like you to look at all of the photos that are only in black and white. And this is exactly our chance to make money online with all of these black and white images. Okay, so right now, I'd like you to go to this website, colorize.sg. Basically, you can colorize your black and white photos on this website. So for example, if your photos are black and white, you can use this free website to convert them to colored photos, and this alone can help you make money online. So as you scroll down this website, you should see an upload button and you should upload a black and white photo. Okay, there. You can also convert these black and white photos into colored images. So the following step is to download the results by simply clicking on a red button that says download. Okay, you see that? Click that, and you will be able to save photos to your computer. Again, you can do this on your phone. It makes no difference. You also don't have to pay anything, which is great. You don't even need to create an account. As a result, this is a fantastic opportunity for you. So then you can sell them for $5 to $20 each by simply doing so for free on this website. So I want you to make sure to keep watching this video because I'll show you how to make money online using this service and this website. But once again, I'll demonstrate a second opportunity that you can use for images. So the second website is remove.bg. Basically, you can do this completely, automatically, and for free on this website. It just simply removes the background from a photograph. So assume you have your original image with all of the backgrounds, like this. So using this software and this website, you can actually remove the background and only leave the focus you want to leave while removing the background. This is exactly how you can use this opportunity to remove background. So all you have to do now is go ahead and click on the blue button that says upload to upload an image right here, as you can see there. And your picture's background will be automatically removed. Ta-da, like magic. So all you have to do now is click the blue button and begin downloading. This without even creating an account or spending any time on this website previously. Up, I'm not yet done. Let's take a breather, shall we, and have a convo. I want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. So let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. So right now, I'd like to show you a couple of websites where you can actually use those services to make money. Eek! Aren't you excited? Okay, let me start. You'll be taken to a page where you can search for other people selling this service from all over the world. Okay, now as you scroll down, you can see that people are colorizing black and white photos, and the cost ranges from $10 to $120. So many people from all over the world are profiting from this opportunity by simply coloring in black and white photos. You can also do the same thing using the colorize.sg website that I showed you earlier. What's even more amazing is that in addition to the basic package, you can set up different pricing packages. Okay, for example, a standard price of $30 or a premium price of $50. The earning potential is enormous, and on Fiverr.com, even if you're just a level 1 seller, that is a brand new seller, you can sell for $5 and people will flock to you. So I just wanted to show you how simple it is to find a way to make money online even if you know how. So if you want to sign up for a free account on Fiverr and start selling and making money online, all you have to do is click on Become a Seller. Then you can simply enter your email address and proceed to become a seller. peopleperr.com is the second website that wants to show you that there are more opportunities. Now, when you press the search button, you want to select the search offer, okay? On this website, there are many people selling various services. So right now, I'd like you to type in the keyword background removal. And I want you to press the search button because there are people selling background removal services up to $35 by simply removing a background. Yes, just remove the background. That is exactly what a remove.bg website allows us to do. Remove.bg, I just said that earlier, right? It is extremely simple. You can do this in a few seconds with a couple of clicks and begin selling the service on this website where you can see there are many sellers. So making money with this opportunity by simply removing the background of a photo, as I demonstrated in the beginning of the video, but people are selling $10, $5, $20, $30, and even $40 by doing so? So that's the opportunity I'd like to share with you to help you make money online. So if you want to send a free account on peopleperr.com, all you have to do is go to the top and click on freelancer, as you can see there. And you'll be taken to this page where you can sign up for a free account. And that's exactly how you can use Colorizing and remove.bg to make money on Fiverr and peopleperr.com. So if you're looking for a much easier way to make money online, you should look into Browse Bank software. Okay, now Browse Bank is the world's first system that pays you to do what you're doing right now. Use the internet. Now imagine you're watching a YouTube video right now. What if you could get paid just for browsing websites, watching videos, and scrolling through Facebook posts? That's how you'd want to get paid, right? That's how you can get paid every single hour by using this special software called Browse Bank. And a lot of people are getting real results. So now that you know all of these information, are you ready to earn more? You know what? I really want to read your replies, so comment down below so we can get the conversation going, so we can talk about your experience or if you've ever tried these websites, So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!